Thank you for tuning into another video of mine, guys. My name is Gabby if you're new here, and today's video is no naked tires. Make sure that no tire goes naked out there. And I love tire lettering because not only is it kind of more loud and aggressive, but it's a chance to express myself a little bit. And I just think it personally looks cool. And thank you so much, Tredwear, for sending me some. They just got this pink in a little while ago. It says G-Babs with a donut on it. You guys can see here. Yeah, a little donut. I'm so excited to get these guys put on. Thank you so much. I know this is so long overdue because I know for me, my life has just been a crazy mess for the past 6 months since August. And I've moved twice and just had at one point had these guys lost. But I have them here today and I'm gonna go ahead and get these guys installed. There are directions here, so we'll be following those and getting these guys installed. So these are my current tire stickers on here now. You can see over here we have Dunlop already on here. These are Dunlop Star Specs, obviously. These are worn, torn, and just need to go. Baddies, and they're white, so they don't actually match the pink that's on here. So the ones that Tredwear sent me will actually probably look better. So I'm gonna take these off and put on the new cool and pink ones. Yay, because pink is the best. Pink everything. Let's go ahead and see what is in here. So we have the stickers themselves, it looks like. Ah, come out, come out. So they have sent me tire stickers for my Instagram, Gbabs_Gbabs, you know, check out my IG. But not only that, they sent me a bunch of little donut ones too. Like, these are freaking adorable. Oh my God, I can't wait to get these bad boys on my car. Like, I think this is probably my favorite part. Little donut, thank you. You guys are the best. Like, look how freaking cute that is. That's freaking adorable little donut, yes. This looks like it is the High-Bond tire adhesive. We got 2 packs of that because knowing me, I will probably mess up and have to restart. We have directions and sandpaper, I think. Yeah, they sent me sandpaper too. All right, perfect. So we have instructions, guides, the stickers. All right, let's go ahead and get these bad boys on. So I've already gotten kind of all of the main chunks off on this one tire. These tire letters have been old, crusty on here for a good solid year plus now. So it's really hard to get them off, but my tactic that I'm using is a heat gun, and then I'm using needle nose pliers to kind of like peel off most of the big chunks, and then going back in with a razor blade to get as much of the adhesive off of these tires as I can. So then the new stickers will have a nice clean tire to be applied to, because, you know, prep and make sure everything is clean. That'll help make sure that these stickers stay on there longer. This is much harder than I had anticipated, just getting these stickers off. But, you know, I already started, so I'm not quitting. Perfect, so we went ahead, we got one of our front wheels done. It looks really nice. It's much cleaner than all of those destroyed white letters. It fits nice, it fills up more of the wheel. We went ahead and we started on the black side over here. I'm just gonna put on this next strip right here, have it set and ready. I think the pink actually looks better on the black side. I think just on the other side there's too much pink, but this right now anyway looks really nice. So nice and filled in. Oh, no! No! There we go. It didn't even happen. Gorgeous. 10 out of 10. What's up, guys? It is another day. As you can tell, I was up late trying just to get those old white crusted stickers off of my tires, and of had a little bit of fun, so I might have been distracted, but I did finish these stickers today, and I wanted to go ahead and show y'all the final look. What do you think? I think that they look freaking fantastic. So this is the passenger side. I personally think that this side just looks much better than the other side. Let me know what you think. And this is the pink side. So I think here the pink is just a little bit off. It doesn't match perfectly. From afar you can't really tell. But then on this side I think it's just a bit too much pink. But I think it still looks really good. I just personally prefer the black side of the car. I think the contrast here is really, really nice, as well as having the pink calipers and the pink exclusive vinyl stickers on the inside of the wheel. I think it just gives a nice finished touch to it. Overall, I think the stickers look awesome. They're a nice pink touch finish to my car. They look way better than the white letters in general. Thank you so much, Tredwear, for sending these to me. Nice custom stickers in pink with little donuts on them. If you guys want tire stickers, I highly recommend Tredwear. Not only do they have lots of colors you can choose from, but obviously they can do customized stuff. So even if you want to do like send it or your own name or whatever it is that you want to put on there, they can do it for you. I'll go ahead and link them down below so you guys can shop and see what they have to offer. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see y'all in the next one.